Okay, stand up.
So this is for the bottling group. For this process, we do everything by hand. All is done by hand. After we select the bottle, yes, and so we will wash the bottle. When we wash the bottle, and then so we will dry it. Yes, and so if you can see this one, this is for the over channel, and then so we fill them in by hand. Yes, and then so after that we will cork it. Yeah, we will cork the bottle and we will seal it. Yeah, these are all is done by hand. And also we stick the label. Yes, you can see that we are sticking it by hand. Yes, in front of the bottle is a tape pound. Yes, because it's done by hand, and then so we need to very take care. Yes. Yeah, you can see that. It's about it. This is for the front of the bottle, yes, for the sticking label. And then also we will stick the label in back of the bottle. Yeah, in back of the bottle. Yes. This one is on the front, and this one is a BB on the back. And also this one is this is for the our Thai stamp. This one is belong with the government. Yeah. And also this one is a hand making also, is a logo type handle. Yes. And this one is a cheese sealing. Yes, sealing the bottle for the stick. Is a logo type blue, yes.
Okay.
That is a handmade also. And all the bottle. And also this one. This is a tax stamp. Yes, that is a mean the government they allow us to sell alcohol.
Okay.
Yes. In Thailand law they're not allowed to sell alcohol over than 40%. Completely, every bottle of the Chalong rum is a 40% alcoholic.
Okay.
Yeah. And also this is our gold medal that we won in San Francisco in 2015. Yes, for this one. Yeah.
I will just
This is our original Chalong way. This one we won the competition. Yes, it's won the gold medal in San Francisco in 2015 in San Francisco, right? And so this is for the we won at there for the good quality and also good quality. Yes. And for this one is we just launched the new tree of the Chalong way. This one is a lemongrass Chalong way. Yes. And also this one is a Thai Swiss Basil Chalong Bay. Yeah, Thai Swiss Basil Chalong Bay, this one. And also for the last one, this is for the cinnamon Chalong Bay. Yeah, cinnamon Chalong way. Uh, three of them, they are very new and very unique product. Yes, so um, this is a we call is a tropical nose or vapor infusion. Actually, this one you cannot find anywhere else. Just only Rum Distillery only us for we can do this one. Actually, for the vapor infusion, just only a few of the premium gin they will do this. But for the rum, just only for the Chalong, just only us is we do this one. This is a we use for the 100% of Thai ingredient. Yes, so we use very we find it hard. We do is very natural.
Okay.
Because we just let the steam through part the bucket, which is we put the botanicals in the bucket, and then so let the steam through part, and then take the flavor when they concentrate, and then we will get the condensate come to the liquid, and then we will get the liquid of the rum, and so it's that's why we say it's a very natural one.
Okay.
And also different spirits are come from different kind of raw materials. For example, the rum, as we know, rum can make from the sugarcane or can make from the molasses. Vodka is a loose spirit, not regulated, can make from anything. Can make from grains, can make from potato or fruit or sugar. But tequila is a very regulated, it's made from the agave. Any kind of agave, specific in Mexico as well. And whiskey is made from grains like a barley, corn, peas or rye. And brandy is made from grapes, like a cognac and maya. And also everyone know grape ale, yes, because grape is a very famous to making wine, yes. And also on the market, we also have another major spirits like gin. Gin was not in the simple spirits, but it's belong with the category of compost spirits. The reason because gin is making by two steps, not one step. And also they are made by use the no-sue spirit, they similar to vodka or this, and then they will add a flavor by maceration, distillation or addition. Actually, a lot of in distillery, they will not use their spirit by themselves, but they will buy the no-sue spirits and then they will add the flavor, continue to the gin flavor. For example, basic of the gin flavor is a juniper berry, or maybe you can add different botanicals. For example, like a coriander, long peels, licorice, saffron or root, and then you will get your own gin flavor. But anyway, for Chalong rum, we made from 100% of milk sugar, and we do everything here. Yes. The reason that why we made the pure sugarcane rum as our Chalong rum in here, because in Thailand they have a lot of the sugarcane. Thailand, we are number 4 likely to produce the sugarcane in the world after huge country. For example, like number 1 is Brazil, number 2 is India, and number 3 is China. If you compare with them, you will see they are quite big. But Thailand just is, but Thailand have a lot of the sugarcane. And also most of the sugarcane they go for the sugar production. Just only very little they use the sugarcane to produce the rum. Actually, making natural rum that is a not Thai tradition. It is a French tradition from the French Caribbean island. But however, sugarcane culture is a Thai tradition. So our idea, we just want to bring French tradition of making pure sugarcane rum back to the origin of the sugarcane. The reason that why we are here. And over than 6,000 years ago, sugarcane was born in Southeast Asia. Maybe most of the people think they are from the Caribbean, but it's not true. It's born here in Southeast Asia. Just only in 8th century, first exported by trader to the Europe and North Africa, just only in 15th century. First introduced to the Caribbean by Christopher Columbus. And you can imagine after he found America included with the Caribbean, he just brought the sugarcane to grow in the